I ever tell you about that man who changed my life? He had a real deep voice, light pearly teeth, and his shoe was always shining. Long, slender fingers manicured perfectly. The man wore $800 Italian suits straight from, I don't know, what would they call it? Milan or Rome or someplace like that. I knew it wasn't local. I said, I got to get next to him. I haven't seen him in a long time. My man was so fine. He could get any good girl into trouble. You asked me what his name was? Well, the Jackal. The Jackal. Hey. The Jackal. The Jackal. Hey. He was fat cat cool, like a Friday afternoon martini chillin' at 5:15. Twist of lime, coke on the side. The brother loved the high life. Had a PhD in street stripe. They called him the Jackal. He was Big Mac Daddy, super black style, and diamonds in the back Cadillac. Furline boards, white wall wheels, cruise control, built for speed, chrome on everything. And the stereophonic speakers, though he really didn't need them, when they called him the Jackal. Hey, the Jackal. The Jackal. Hey, the Jackal. Fly boy was in the buttermilk. Living fast, living large, 6'4", and not an ounce of fat. When women ask, "Is you a frown cat?" he say, "My dear, I'm more than that. I'm the fronest of the frown. And in case you hadn't known, they call me the Jackal." Served an 18-year bid. First Rikers Island, then they hit him in the state penitentiary.